Bedsure has the things for your bed that allow you to be comfortable while you sleep, like this Bedsure Breezescape Cooling Mattress Pad. I have this one in a queen size, and we're going to be putting it on my sister's bed. Not only is it soft, breathable, and stretchy, it has deep pockets and actually fits over your mattress just like you would put a sheet, a fitted sheet, on your mattress. It also has a wide elastic band to help to keep it in place. Now, this cooling mattress is supposed to be a really great option for anyone that sleeps hot. Because of the technology and how it's made, it adjusts to your body temperature. Now, it does come vacuum sealed. When it arrives, you will have to open it up and lay it out, but you will start to see it coming into its full size as soon as you open the packaging. Not to mention that this mattress pad is machine washable. They do tell you to put it on a gentle cycle in cold water, and you can tumble dry on low. This will be great in your home or given as a gift. I tested this out through a brand collaboration.